Okay, again, good evening. No? Today is about August 29. So again, Arwin Ergometer combined with the Shimano, no? Again, quick release na kanang plates, no? So here, Shimano, no? Again, shoes. So here, again, to the triathlete no siya, no? To the triathlete, especially for the athlete people, no? Again, nga ma-prevent natin mo accident and injury, no? Again, mo pag-initiate based on the stress test in the hospital, no? Again, we redesign it, no? So again, muling po dali ka diha, no? So here, again, to differentiate, no? No? So here, no? Again, kung mabay ka, if we base in the hospital, no? Stress test, no? Again, continuous without stopping for 10 minutes. More nila, ano? Again, of course, 1 hour, no? Twice a week for 1 hour. We'll see in the laboratory test 3 months after. Bago sa lab test, no? So again, here, no? Okay, here, ni stand ko rin, no? So karon akong hip ni an ankle, gatas ang cartilage to cartilage, bones to bones, tension in there. Kaya, lahi po ang yang break ako ang tension na first about nga front, no? The horizontal side, about intellectual property na. So, patungan nimo again, niya, og magbike ka, imo sport, maguyod di ka og ligit, no? 5-15 kilograms plus, no stopping, continuous, og na-iro, ligsi, og na-stoplight, ligsi, dito, no? Again, movement. Again, movement na sa stress test, no? Okay, so here, may difference siya, no? And then, the other one, no nga, ato may kupitin siya, same na po the principle, no? Again, na siya tension, niya, lagi, o between, so, the physics, no nga, imuhang ko, no? So, intellectual property na gin siya. So here, we lagi ang tension, based sa ako, we galingkod ka, together with the Arwin Ergometer, so here, no? Again, panindot na kayo, no? So there's no tension in the hip knee and ankle, and you can do that hip, shoulder, elbow, and wrist, both hand and foot, no? Again, yung Arwin Ergometer, so kids, friendly kayo, so bago niya ito ang teasing, no? So here, again, ang ato ang colors, but very unique for the kids, no nga? Fluorescent color, and you can upgrade here just like your phone, nga ang kapag si mong casing, no? And then, the yantas, nga nakapag ipa-prove, nga murag with mirror, no? Again, mo na siya niya, Roy, wala mo tayo kapalit na rin, Roy. So here, are then clips, you know, here, same with the bike ni Roy, wala ko na siya practice, so here, the Shimano, no? Again, based on the Shimano na siya. Arwin Ergometers, based na get the quality in the Shimano, no? So, rin so na ito pagkuhan ni Roy, ato napakita ni mo nga quick release, hopefully the Arwin, no? If we have the money, na? So, kini si Roy. Again, quick release, no? Wala naman tayo kapalit ni para Arwin, no? So, ito na mapakita. Again, so, dali na kayo, no? Again, pwede na ito sa Arwin, but we don't have a financial na again. Again, dali na kayo. So, ano siya, no? Muna atuwa sa Arwin, hopefully. Again, thank you kini Roy, no? So, again, malagi na atuwa, continuous without stopping, with tension and break, and for 1 hour. Why sports ngayon, no? Again, sa US is about nga, thank you for the American for the support. Again, very sorry, but ayo ka, no? Again, so naapon na siya, gasolina ni Roy, is about nga, 10 pounds siya. Again, once again, thank you, and regards to Buddy Arwin, no? So ako naging yung napakita, no? Ako mga kontra, again, powered by the Holy Spirit, and then go for the out sa market, niya nga to ang na sales and to ano, the support, no? After sales support, more gina to us about na maka-upgrade, no? Especially for the kids, no? Again, how you love your loved ones, yeah? Thank you. Pagdaga.